Most of the students don't interested to learn speaking English. They prefer to learn English grammar rather than learn speaking English. I don't know what is the reason, what works behind this reason. But the reason I found among the students that the fairness and the shyness, and these two reasons work strongly among them. But whenever I encourage them or I ask them to take part in various conversation, to learn speaking English, to use English in their day-to-day life, from their household tasks to school works, school lessons, whenever they take part in English classes, I encourage them to learn English. As I'm an English teacher, my work is to teach the student English, and they are not interested because they are interested to gain marks or take the position in class rules. So they don't know class rules doesn't matter, but they are strongly determined to gain the position of their class. It will work in their class tests or annual exams. The students are interested to take part in competition in class rules, but they don't take part in competition to learn English. I think there is a reason behind this. The students are not interested to speak English, such as our educational system to learn English should be changed. Because if the students from their boyhood start to learn English grammar or learn speaking English, whenever they take part in various conversation with their parents, with their classmates, then gradually they will start to say something in English. But our educational system or our book is not printed such a way. Though there are lots of conversation is printed in our book, but they don't interested in this way. So I should request that the students, please, if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your personal skill, if you want to develop your personal skill, you should learn English. You should try to speaking English. It will help you to gain the better future. It will help you to achieve your future goal. And whenever you can speak English, whenever you learn English, a bright future is waiting for you. And you ask me, you are an English teacher, but why you are saying such kind of vulgar word? No. Our students is determined to take part in the numbering competition. They don't take part in competition in speaking English, and they are totally in darkness the way how they can speak in English. So the students who were watching this video, I would like to request to please start from today, write in something in English in your khata and practice from single word to sentence. Then you can try in front of your mobile camera, and you will gradually improve your speaking English. So no more today. Bye bye.